The Dog Tornado is a spinning toy with 3 layers, each has 4 compartments, and in each of them I've put 3 tiny pieces of sausage. Now, as well as that, you have obstacles that have to be removed before you can rotate the layers. You have these plastic bones that fit into some of the compartments. So I vary where I put those. And that locks some of the layers in place from moving and spinning around. And now, give it to the... Wait on your mat. Wait on your mat. Good boy. There you go, Commodore. Take it. See how long it takes him to solve. Carry on. Oh, you're done. You're done. All right, let's check. Commodore, sit on your mat. On your mat. And sit. Very good. Let's check. Yep. Good boy. All done. We'll get you some more sausage. Good boy.